And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, weather's on everyone's mind for the frenzy tonight. Let's dig in right now. Are we going to have some muddy football fields in parts of the area this evening? Parts of our northeastern and eastern counties this afternoon have picked up now more than 3 inches of rain, especially eastern Howard County, parts of Carroll County, some very heavy rain, and up here in Cass and parts of Fulton County. But the bulk of these really intense storms, some gusts up to 50 miles an hour. We had some isolated wind damage just northeast of the area. A lot of these are pulling off to the east right now. We're starting to get some lulling. We got one storm up here that's moving through far northern White and Pulaski County, and this storm has actually had some weak low level rotation at times. It's had a rotating updraft kind of on the back end. You can see some of the rotation. We noticed it briefly on the storm relative velocity about 20 minutes ago, but it's starting to weaken a little bit. We will watch areas up to our west and southwest for a couple more storms this evening. The good news is the coverage is only going to be about 20 to maybe 35% for any storms that develop. So that's the good news for the frenzy. Then after midnight, this line of storms moves southeastward, and we'll see a broken line of storms come through at that point. Sunsets at 8:24 this evening. Again, a couple storms may redevelop this evening, but it's going to be a muggy one with winds out of the south-southwest. Sunrise 7:12 tomorrow morning. We have that broken line of storms that comes through tonight. 50% storm coverage around 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, and still a couple of storms even at 7 o'clock in the morning with a low of 71. So there's Laura mainly passing south of our area. Here comes our cold front in from the northwest. Once this goes through, the humidity will go down tomorrow, but we still have a slight risk of severe weather north of Highway 18 this evening and tonight, a marginal risk of severe weather elsewhere in our viewing area. Right there's the line. This is 11:30. There it comes through, kind of broken, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Still a few around 7 o'clock in the morning. Then it jets out of here, and we've got some decent weather for the weekend. I was working on this graphic right during the bump of the show. New data just in, 79 to 85 for highs tomorrow, including an 84 at Lafayette as the humidity drops with time. Notice a partly cloudy sky and a nice northwest wind blowing about 14 to 25 miles an hour. And lows tomorrow night, nice and comfortable down into the mid to upper 50s. And finally for Sunday, a partly cloudy sky, 82 for the high temperature. There you see highs at 78 to 83. 7-day forecast. Normal high is 83 for the time of year, but off and on storms come back in for part of next week with highs in the 80s.
All right, Chad, you said that the humidity is getting better, so I like to hear that. Thanks so much.